So it's been 3 years since the Nintendo Switch was released back in March 2017. Now that we're more than halfway through the year, is the Nintendo Switch still worth buying in 2020? I'm Mohammed from Tekka Reviews, and we'll find out more straight after this. To give you some background on this device, you get two versions that Nintendo have released. The Nintendo Switch and the Nintendo Switch Lite, which was later released in September 2019. The main difference being that you can't connect the Nintendo Switch Lite to your TV, which may be a showstopper for some, but if that doesn't concern you, then the Nintendo Switch in my opinion is definitely a great product to have. You get a huge library of games available to play, and some titles that are exclusive to Nintendo such as Zelda, which all comes with console-like graphics that you can take with you on the go. The pricing for both devices is also different, with the Nintendo Switch retailing for around £300 and the Lite being $100 cheaper. Now with the PS5 and new Xbox slowly creeping around the corner, you should still consider buying this product, as you probably won't see another Nintendo device being released anytime soon. In terms of the look and design, the Nintendo Switch is pretty much a tablet with two controllers on each side. They simply slide in and out of the Switch and can easily be replaced. The controllers can be taken off and added to accessories to form a bigger controller. The device has a 6.2-inch LCD display and weighs roughly around 300 grams. It can also support up to 1080p via HDMI when connected to your TV, and 720p when using the built-in display. Furthermore, you also get a USB Type-C connector, headphone jack input, 32GB of internal storage, and supports up to 2TB of external memory. Finally, you also get a game card slot available, which you can use to insert any physical games you purchase. On top, you get the power and volume buttons, as well as the speaker grill for the Nintendo Switch. The battery life will last you 3 to 5 hours of game time. However, the newer Switch devices are estimated to run up to 9 hours. Charge time for the Switch is also said to be up to 3 hours on average. Overall, for a handheld device, these times aren't bad at all. Now the dock for the Nintendo Switch can be used to connect the device directly to your TV. It's pretty much a plastic box that has two USB inputs on the side which you can use to charge your Nintendo Switch, as well as a HDMI input, USB Type-C and USB input inside the dock. The dock is also included when you purchase your Nintendo Switch. The library of games you have available is huge. You have Zelda and Super Mario, which are classic favourites, but you also get other titles which can also be played. For multiplayer, you do need to buy a subscription of Nintendo Switch Online, which will cost you around £20 per year. However, for the games you get with this device, purchasing an online subscription is definitely worth it. Overall, the Nintendo Switch is definitely worth buying in 2020. The device looks and feels great, and also comes with a huge library of games available. For a handheld device, you get a lot of fun out of it, and for £300, it definitely gets my stamp of approval. I've also added the Amazon link to purchase the Nintendo Switch in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. What was your all-time favourite handheld game console? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekka Reviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.